How to reset AirPods. In this short video, I'll guide you on how to reset AirPods and get them working smoothly again. Are you having trouble with your AirPods? Perhaps their connection is unstable or the audio quality isn't right. A quick reset is often all it takes to fix these problems and get your AirPods working perfectly again, so let's do it now. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started with resetting your AirPods. To start, first, you need to make sure your AirPods are charged to at least 50%. This is important. Regardless of your AirPods model, the first step is to unpair them. To do this, place your AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. After a minimum of 30 seconds, open back the lid. Then head over to your iPhone or iPad and tap the Settings app. Next, tap on Bluetooth. Locate your AirPods in the My Devices list and tap the info icon next to your AirPods. Then, scroll down and tap Forget this device. Confirm by tapping Forget device again. Now your AirPod is unpaired, and we can continue with the resetting. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's start with the process of resetting AirPods and AirPods Pro. Pick up the case with the AirPods inside and open it. While the lid of your AirPods case is open, press and hold the Setup button at the back for 15 seconds. The status light inside the case will flash amber, then white. This indicates your AirPods or AirPods Pro have been reset and you're free to reconnect them. Now, let's see how to reset AirPods Max. With the AirPods Max powered on, press and hold the digital crown and the noise control button simultaneously for 15 seconds. The LED near the bottom of the right ear cup will flash amber, then white, signifying a successful reset and ready to use again. If you fail to get it right, try again, this time with a timer. Now you can reconnect your AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max to your device and enjoy using them again. To explore more Apple-related video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.